Hi and welcome to Thermomix channel. Today we'll be making whole orange bundt cake. So let's search for the recipe. Ta-da! There it is. So we take the whole orange, cut it into quarters and put it in. Chop it at speed 8.5. Wow, look at that. Now we set that aside. Add in the butter and the sugar, all the sugar. Add the reserved orange, some orange juice, and a little bit of essential oil. You can either use all-purpose flour or self-raising flour. Check out the tips for self-raising flour in this recipe we're using it. Add in the eggs. Insert the spatula, and while it's mixing, use the spatula to mix it around as well. The sides down. And let it mix for a couple more seconds. Transfer the batter into your greased pan. Now bake it in the oven. While waiting, you can actually pre-clean your mixing bowl. Add in some water, a drop of dishwashing liquid, and select the mode that you would like. Do whatever you want. Once it's done, rinse it off, and your bowl is clean. Cake is done!